Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are starting our new practical on the series of Windows Server 2016. The practical name is the type of permissions. In the type of the permission, there are two types of permission. One is the sharing level and one is the NTFS permission. In sharing level permission, we can share a single file folder to on a particular server or any of our system, and we can access that folder from anywhere our network. An NTFS permission is a network type file technology system, and it's a new kind of, so you can give the security folder inside the subfolder to that permission is a NTFS permission. So these are the two main things of that permissions. First, we can create a single folder to check the permission. Suppose we have created the folder data. Go to properties, sharing, type every one, give the read write permission. Data. So we have assigned, so we have to create two more folders. One is private, another is public. We can create some files in the right. Some image. Similarly, copy the file and also put here. Now we have shared this folder. Now first of our things to, so we have created the folder, so check this folder by system. One is our server name, so you can see these are the shared folder, and another all the shared folders all on our server. Now first go to tools, click on user directory, and now you can see we have created two users, test1 user and test2 user, as well as we have created two groups. One is employees, and in employees group we have assigned this user, test1 user is also on test2 user. Now in the contract employees, another group, we have allocated the only test2 users. Now similarly we can assign folder permission by group. We have to give permission to the group because it's easy for process for our, because suppose there are in organization there are thousands of users, so we have to create some of the groups and assign and create the members of the user on that group, and so it's easy for the process. Suppose it's not easy to process to assign the individual 1000 user to give the permission, so that's why we have created the group. Suppose go to data, first we have checked the permission. Go to security, you can see everyone have a full control modify read execute till permission. system have a administrator and administrator. So in advance, these are always the keep the inheritance permission is disabled. So right now the inheritance permission is disabled. You can change the ownership by using, suppose we have to create the owner of test1, so we can write the test1 and create the owner to test1. Now go to yes. Another thing is the go to private. In private, go to security. There are 4 groups. We can add it. We can add the another group by, suppose, employee. Employee groups have been is added now. Similarly, add another group is you can also find the groups from here. Advanced contract employees. Now employees have right now read and execute, so we can assign them the full permission. Similarly, in the contract employee, go to edit contract, we can allow the denies. So in contract employee group, the test2 user is included on the, so test2 user cannot access that private folder because we have given the deny permission. Similarly, in go to public properties, here we can also add, only we can right now we can here add only group employees. And give them employees to full permission. After this thing, we have to give one command. Suppose any kind of policy that we can run, it's applied to our client side. When it's updated, then we will do the login of the, first we will check the login of test1 on our client side, and test2. First go to other user, now you can pause here to wait for the updating policy. हाँ तो फ्रेंड्स, अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी ग्रुप पॉलिसी मैनेजमेंट अपडेट हो गया है। अभी हम जाते हैं हमारी क्लाइंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है विंडोज 10। सबसे पहले हम लॉगिन करते हैं test1। इधर हम जाते हैं, सबसे पहले हम करते हैं CMD। इधर हम सर्वर का नाम है हमारा, होस्ट नेम है, उसको हम पहले पिंग लगाएंगे। domain name ये हमारा सर्वर का IP एड्रेस और सर्वर का होस्ट नेम। तो हमारी कनेक्टिविटी क्लाइंट की सर्वर से है। अभी देखते हैं फोल्डर, देख सकते हैं ये तीनों फोल्डर जो शेयर हो सर्वर से, और हमने शेयर किया था डेटा। सपोज प्राइवेट के अंदर है ये फाइल, तो आप प्राइवेट के अंदर आप टेस्ट 1 और टेस्ट 2 यूज़र दोनों हैं। तो सबसे पहले आप इसको फाइल को डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं, नया फाइल बना भी सकते हैं, और यह फाइल को एडिट भी कर सकते हैं। तो वैसे पब्लिक में भी इसको रीनेम कर सकते हैं और डिलीट और एडिट भी कर सकते हैं। यानी ये हमारा टेस्ट1 यूज़र है, जो हमारा एम्प्लॉइज ग्रुप है वो टेस्ट1 यूज़र में इंक्लूडेड है। अब हम साइन अप करते हैं और टेस्ट2 यूज़र से टेस्टिंग करते हैं। पहले ऑलरेडी इसको साइन आउट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यूज़र उसको लॉक था। ऑलरेडी उसका लॉगिन हो रखा था। After doing that test user, we have to check similar method. Go to system1. Now you can see only the public folder is here, but a private folder you cannot see, because we have assigned the explicitly deny permission to the private to the group contract employees. So contract employee groups having the explicitly deny permission while on the private folder, so there you cannot see that folder, but you can see only the public folder, and you can create and edit anything on this file. So this is the two types of permission. First we create the data name share folder and assign those security permission by using NTFS method. So hope you guys like this video, and stay on this YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Subscribe it to watch more videos. Bye.